Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today we are starting with the question number 9 of exercise 9th E. Question number 9 is Randhir donates rupees 5,000 to a school. So this is the principal, rupees 5,000. The interest of which is to be used for awarding 10 scholarships of equal value every year. If donation earns an interest of 11%, this is the R rate of interest. कितना इंटरेस्ट है 11%. Find the value of each scholarship. Now time we will take 1 year because they haven't mentioned, but उन्होंने ये given है per year. Okay, so per year means 1 year, so time is 1 year. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड दी सिंपल इंटरेस्ट बिकॉज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट को ही 10 स्कॉलरशिप्स में इक्वल डिवाइड किया है. ओके, सो पहले सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड आउट करते हैं. वी नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट P इंटू आर इंटू टी अपॉन 100. पुट दी वैल्यूज. P इज ₹5,000 multiply R is 11 into T is 1 upon 100. Zeros to zeros cancel out. Now simple interest is 11 5s are 55 and then 1 0. This is rupees 550. This is the scholarship which is distributed in 10 scholarships. So one scholarship will be वन स्कॉलरशिप का फाइंड आउट करना है ना, 10 का है तो. सो टू फाइंड द स्कॉलरशिप ऑफ ईच चिल्ड्रन वी विल डिवाइड द टोटल स्कॉलरशिप बाय द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 10. 0 to 0 cancel out. This is equals to ₹55, right? So this is the value of each scholarship. Value of each scholarship will be ₹55. Next question, question number 10. In how many years? It means how many years ना, so time पूछा है, right? Will rupees this double itself at 4% सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. उन्होंने बोला है कि ₹150 क्या हो जाए, डबल हो जाए, राइट? सो P दे हैव गिवन ₹150, राइट? और क्या हो जाएंगे एट द एंड, जो एंड में मनी हो जाती है दैट इज कॉल्ड A. डबल हो जाएगा जो अमाउंट स्टार्टिंग में था, इट मीन्स 150 का डबल हो जाएगा, राइट? सो A will become कितना हो जाएगा 15 2s are 30 0. Now we have P and A, right? Can we find the simple interest from it? Yes, हमें पता है A is equals to P plus SI, right? So A they have given ₹300 is equals to P is rupees, P के प्लेस पर P की वैल्यू रखते हैं ₹150 प्लस सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वी विल मूव दिस टू द अनदर साइड, राइट? आफ्टर मूविंग टू द अनदर साइड दिस विल बी इन subtraction. So ₹300 minus ₹150, right? So simple interest will be ₹150, right? Now we have P, we have simple interest, and they also have given rate of interest. Rate of interest भी given है. Rate of interest they have given 4%, right? Can we find the time now? Put the formula to find the time. We know that time is equals to simple interest multiply 100 upon P into R. Put the values. Simple interest we have calculated 150 multiply 100. P is rupees 150. R they have given 4. Rupees to rupees cancel out. 150 to 150 cancel out. 4 25s are 100. So the time is 25 years. This is your answer. Now the next question, question number 11. At what rate? It means they are asking R. R पूछा है. Of simple interest will a sum of money, जो sum of money है A, वो क्या हो जाएगी? डबल itself. मतलब P का क्या हो जाएगी? डबल हो जाएगी. In 20 years. Now they have also given time. 20 years. Right, now they don't have given the value of A, they don't have given the value of P. We will work on variable this time. Right, now students मान लेते हैं let P is X. P क्या है? X है. तो A क्या हो जाएगा? डबल ऑफ P, इट मीन्स 2x. ठीक है, क्या हम प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन की तरह सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट वही तो होता है, टोटल अमाउंट में से अगर हम P सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, दिस इज कॉल्ड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सो 2x माइनस x इज इक्वल्स टू x. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट भी आ गया. राइट, सो नाउ वी हैव P, वी हैव A, वी हैव सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड द टाइम 20 years. Can we find the rate of interest? Yes, of course. Rate of interest is equals to simple interest multiply 100 upon P into T. Put the values. Simple interest is X. Multiply 100 upon P is X. Multiply time is 20 years. X to X cancel out. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 5s are 10. So here rate of interest is 5%. Right, this is your answer. Next question number 12. If rupees this amount to rupees this, it means P given है rupees 250, amount A given है rupees 285. हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. अगर अमाउंट और A गिवन है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट हो जाएगा A माइनस P. टोटल मनी अमाउंट में से जो मनी बोरो किया था वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो रुपीज 285 माइनस 250. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज रुपीज 35. टाइम दे हैव गिवन 2 years. Find the rate percent. R find out करना है. Put the formula. Simple interest multiply 100 upon P into T. Put the values. Simple interest is, we have already calculated, rupees 35 multiply 100 upon P is rupees 250 multiply T is 2. Rupees to rupees cancel out. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. So R is equals to 7%. This is your answer. So students, today we have discussed from question number 9 to question number 12. With this question, your exercise 9th E is completed. In next class, we will start the next chapter. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.